विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या चॅप्टर मधील दुसरा टॉपिक मीटर ब्रिज याच्याबद्दल माहिती पाहणार आहोत. The meter bridge consists of a uniform metal wire, AC, uniform metal wire AC, about 1 meter to 100 centimeter long, and this wire placed over a wooden board. Also, this meter bridge consists of 3 metal trips. 2 metal trips are L-shaped, that is first and second. These two are L-shaped, and this trip acts as a meter scale, and these 3 trips and this metal wire or metal trip placed over a wooden board. Also, there is meter scale. Below this wire, this is the meter scale, about 1 meter or 100 centimeter long. This is the first gap called left gap. This second gap is called right gap. This is left gap and this is suppose right gap. In left gap, there is unknown resistance X, whose resistance can be determined, and in right gap there is the resistance box R. A cell E, plug key K, and a rheostat or variable resistance RH connected across the wire AC. A cell whose EMF E, plug key K, and a rheostat, or it is also called variable resistance, are connected across the wire AC. And this whole circuit is called meter bridge because the wire or length of that wire is 1 meter, hence it is called meter This is the application or use of Western network to determine the value of this unknown resistance. Also, at the center of that metal tube, we connect the galvanometer, and the other end of galvanometer is connected to jockey J. The one terminal of galvanometer is connected to center trip, and another terminal of this galvanometer is connected to jockey. Say that point is suppose D. This point is A, and that is the C. This is the construction of meter bridge. The unknown X or unknown resistance connected in left gap, resistance box is connected in right gap, cell plug key K and resistor RL is connected in series across the wire AC. This is the construction of meter bridge. If key K is closed, the electric current passing through this circuit. If this key K is closed, the electric current passing through this circuit and galvanometer shows deflection. Galvanometer shows deflection. Then take some suitable resistors. Take some suitable resistance from resistance box R. Take some suitable resistance from this resistance box and touch the jockey. Touch the jockey J. Touch the jockey at different point on this wire AC. Touch the jockey at different point on this wire AC and find out null point. Find out null point. That null point is also called zero deflection. Zero deflection. That is, we observe the pointer of galvanometer at 0. The pointer of galvanometer at 0, that is, galvanometer shows zero deflection. If we assume that if jockey touch at point D, then galvanometer shows zero deflection, then we measure distance AD and distance DC. We measure this distance using meter scale, the distance AD and distance AC. Suppose distance AD is equal to Lx. This distance is Lx. And distance DC is suppose Lr. This distance is Lr. We measure distance AD is equal to Lx and DC is equal to L. Hence, this X, R, Lx and Lr acts as a Western network. Then we used balancing condition of Western network. We used balancing condition of Western network is X upon R is equal to Lx upon Lr. Instead of P divided by Q, there is X and R. Instead of X divided by R, there is Lx and Lr. This is the balancing condition. Then we find out the value of X. Therefore, X is equal to R Lx divided by X is equal to R Lx divided by Lr. Using this formula, we calculate the value of unknown resistance X using meter bridge. Where X means unknown resistance, R means resistance from resistance box, Lx is the distance from A to D, and Lr is the distance from D to C. There is some application of this meter bridge. The first application of that meter bridge is to determine unknown resistance. To determine unknown resistance. And second is to determine the values of resistance, impedance, in the given circuit. This is the two use or application of that meter bridge to determine unknown resistance, to determine resistance, to determine impedance, reactance, capacitance. Using this circuit or meter bridge, we can determine all these components, that is resistance, capacitance, reactance, impedance. Thank you.